Is there anything better than a coloured 233? I'm an absolute sucker for a coloured boat, and this one looks absolutely sensational. Nath and his family have built an absolute weapon, and it's a crazy fit out, and I'm very excited to run you through. So we've got a pair of twin 200 Suzukis on this rig, and it's such a well-balanced and well-performing boat. It's beautiful to handle, it does everything you expect it to do, and the fuel economy is great too, so it just ticks all of the boxes. So we've got Seakeepers on this boat as well, and they make handling just an absolute breeze. So Seakeepers are moving at about 100 movements in a second, which is just absolutely crazy. So essentially they work like little cups, just moving up and down, and they move so fast that it feels intuitive. So the boat just sits steady and exactly how you want it, and you don't have to worry about doing anything except for steering. It's really easy to learn how to drive a boat with these on it. So this is a relatively new seat setup that we've got here in a Formula. So we've got our seat boxes, but we also have our BLA suspension seats sitting atop of them. So makes it super functional with the boxes underneath, but then you've got the suspension seat there as well, which we haven't previously fitted. We've also got our new seats here. So we've got our deluxe helm seats with the bolster, which is awesome. I just really rate a seat with a bolster. I reckon you nearly can't go without. So it makes it nice and comfy when you're driving. But then if you're cruising home and you've got the autopilot on, you can sit up and kick back and relax, so it makes it super comfortable, especially with the Seakeeper rides and the autopilot. Alright, so we've got a very comprehensive Verino fit out on this boat, and it might be better for Nath to explain it, but I will give it a crack. So we've got our two screens up on the dash, nice and clean. They're controlling the transducers and the maps and the autopilot. But the transducer's the real hero of this fit out. So it's a 165/275 low, high, wide. So it's a mouthful, and it's a mouthful for a reason. It's absolutely huge, and it's glassed into the bottom of the boat and completely forms the structural component of the hull. So it's got your 175 high wide, it's got your 175 low, and then it also has your multi-beam as well, and your live scope too. So hopefully I haven't butchered that, but essentially it means anything that you want to do, that transducer can do for you when you're out on the boat. And if Nath can't catch a fish with that, he's got some other issues. And in my humble opinion, no fishing boat is finished off unless it has an elite sound system. So we've got a Roswell system in here with 4 speakers, sounds incredible, and you cannot go without a pie oven. So we've got the pie oven in there, you can pop a little mini roast or pop a lasagna in there, in a few hours it's done, and it's an absolute treat when you're out on the shelf and you're eating a nice toasty lasagna. So the colour combos that Nate's opted for his rig is incredible, I think. The dark grey and the black contrasting with the blue on the outside looks amazing. So we've got deck armour flooring, which is super comfy underfoot, and the pattern on that is just really classy looking. So it's got the fish ruler in there and then the logos, and yeah, it's great underfoot, so it'll be nice for a long day's fishing. So it's pretty special to deliver a boat so close to Christmas to such an incredible person and his family, especially Colton. I think absolutely loved the boat. We couldn't stop him licking it after he got off it for the first time. So it's been an awesome day, and it really makes it so special to be doing what we do and deliver a weapon like this. So congratulations, Nath, and enjoy your boat over Christmas, and I can't wait to see many years of fun with you and the kids in it.